Let's make rich and moist chocolate muffins, eggless and full of flavor. In a bowl, add curd and jaggery powder. Mix until smooth. Pour in the oil and mix everything well. For extra sweetness, stir in a little castor sugar. In a cup, take some hot boiling water, add instant coffee in it, and your coffee decoction is ready. Now in another bowl, sieve together whole wheat flour, corn flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Give it a gentle stir and combine all the dry ingredients together. Now combine these dry ingredients to the wet mix. Pour in the coffee decoction and some milk. Mix into a smooth batter. Do not forget to check the recipe details in the description box for step-by-step procedure of making this cake. Pour the mixture 2 tablespoons at a time in each muffin liner. If you want, you can pour the remaining batter into a greased pan. Load the muffins with choco chips of your choice. Preheat your oven. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The cake may take a little more time than the muffins. Cool completely before serving or slicing the loaf. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and happy baking.